All right, to help us today, I thought I'd run through videos of each of the ones we'll do. That way you could watch it later or during, whatever you want to do. So first of all, anytime you're making a new app, you just go to New here, and you pick this one. Or you pick a plus up here, and you just start GeoGebra. Now, GeoGebra may start with a bunch of things like this. It's got grids, it's got a text thing, it's got a keyboard. Just close everything out. So close this. This little symbol here, if you click on it, there's three little bubbles there. You close that, that's gone. This is all gridded up. So let's select the objects area, get rid of the grid, the axes, and get rid of the grid. Everything is blank now. So in this particular example, we're going to try and prove circles are similar. So I need a circle, and I'm going to pick this one, circle with center and radius. So I'm going to click it, and it says, what would you like to make it? I'll make it 2.156 just to be different. And then I'm going to create another one over here. And oh, I picked the wrong tool, so let me undo that. Let's pick the right tool with radius. And let's pick 4.38. The reason I'm picking funny numbers is I don't want the radius just to be simply, times 2 or something like that. So let's separate these. A couple things I'm going to do here, as said, we're going to shade one of them. The way you can shade is you just select the circle, and then I'm going to go over here and control its shading. So let's give it a little bit of color, and we'll make it blue. I'm only going to shade one of them because the goal will be to slide this over here, and it'll show up, and then dilate it to fill this circle. I want these to have names, so I can talk about circle A or circle B. So next thing I'm going to do is label those. The way you label, just click on a point. Again, go to the objects area and choose name. Click on the point, go to the objects area, pick on name. There's the two names. Let's see what else they want to do. Oh, we want to lock them into place so that everybody does the same thing. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to lock B in place, and I'm going to lock A in place. So in theory, if I grab this, it won't move anywhere. My radius is stuck and so on, so everything's good to go. When I am ready, let's make sure I did everything. Circle radius, shade the interior, label, fix the center, save the app. Now the app gets saved with the size of your window. So I am going to, let's see here, bring in, oops, grabbed the wrong edge there. I'm going to bring in my window here and kind of make it the size I want it. Close this out, and I think everything is ready for what I would like to do. So I can then click on this and go to save and give it a name. So we'll call this similar circles. Oops, everything's capital there. Similar circles. And I want to make it shared, and then I save it. Now what that does is it creates the saved file, and if I were to go back to, it's still saving, I don't know why it's taking so long. There. Now if I go back to kind of my main homepage area and I refresh that area, you'll notice that it's saved there. And to get the URL or the referencing URL, once it's here, you can go to the three dots and you can go to Access Settings, and it will say it's being shared, and then you can copy and paste this link and create a QR code or whatever from there. It's that easy.